Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable Google Authenticator on Twitch. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type twitch.tv and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply go to settings. At the top right, here's a profile-like icon. Simply click on it and this will open up. Let's simply scroll down to settings. The button's right here, let's click on it. Once you've clicked on it, many options like this will open up. Worry not, simply go to security and privacy. The security and privacy page is like this. Let's simply scroll down till we see something like two-factor authentication. And here's the button that says edit 2FA. Click on this button right here and this will open up. What we need to do is simply disable 2FA. Right here is the disable button. Click on this right now. Give your confirmation. Click on yes, disable. And guys, that's it. That's how we disable Google Authenticator 2FA in Twitch. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.